toxicity all over the place. You don't know, you're gonna know today. It's clear you don't care about dedication. We can tell just by your presentation. Turn up late, leave really early. Surely you're never gonna get past me, 'cause I know your intentions are nasty. Use me, abuse me, and trust me, it hurts, but you're only gonna choose me when your turn is worse.